Hi everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for joining me today. First I want to show you the new kit from By the Well for God. This is the February kit and it's called Liars and Thieves. And if you haven't seen these kits, they are just awesome. They come in this really cute bag so you can keep all your stuff together that go in the kit. And it's got the image printed right there on the bag. So it's a really neat bag, a little canvas bag, and it's just filled with goodies. So let me just show you first. There's the devotional content and it's divided into 14 days. I'm going to do a page with you in just a moment, but if you haven't seen these kits, then this will just help you see how it works. So it's divided into 14 days and they're intended for you to go through the lesson one day and then the next day really reflect on it and then journal in your Bible or in your notebook or anywhere that you want to journal and reflect. And the verses and the passages and the devotional content is just really powerful. This month, again, it's called Liars and Thieves, and it's a devotional written by Judy Allen, and it's all illustrated by Laura Osterman. And the theme is kind of a Western cowboy theme. It's just really cute, but it's focusing on the discouragement and the fear and the worry and the things like that Satan uses to distract us and to bring us down. What are the things that are liars in our lives and that the thieves in our lives that steal our joy and our peace and our happiness? So it's a really good study. All of the devotional content and studies that I've done from By the Well for God are just wonderful. So let me show you what comes with the kit. First of all, I've already unpackaged it because I was so excited. But you get one thing that's really unique is a little pack of watercolors. They are sample watercolors, and I'm going to use them a little bit. I will show you how to do that, but in one of my previous videos, I did use some of these watercolors. You just wet it with a damp paintbrush. And so these are dried on there, and these are really good quality watercolors. And you get a little card that matches the theme with some bow clippies. You get a couple of these pins, these embellishment pins, and they go with the theme. And you can do some fun stuff. I like to put them on my bows or just different things like that. Like you can put them here or I've also just put them on the bag. So they're fun to use. You get the sticker, which you can use in your journaling or you can put it in the front of your Bible on the inside front so you can see which kits you've been journaling in that Bible. You get 3 sheets of these clear stickers, and they all are images that go along with the theme. And then on this sheet, you've got some faux washi, 4 strips of faux washi, and then again, some more images. You get 3 bookmarks, or these can be tip-ins, and they are double-sided. They have a Bible verse on them. And I really like to use these because they just fit right in the margin. So you can just adhere them in, and then there's a journaling page. You can do a background if you want to, put a little bit of washi tape on there. You can do some journaling behind it, journaling on it. So those are 3 bookmarks that you get. You get a sheet of stickies. What are these? Alphas, sticky alphas. And these are not cardstock, they're just clear stickers, very thin. So, and they've got a pattern on them. And let's see, let me move all that. You get a stamp set, and this one's called Liars and Thieves, and it's got some cute images. There are some coordinating stamp sets that you can purchase along with it. If you got it in the pre-sale, then you can get them at a discount. But otherwise, they're $15 a piece, and the images go along with it. This is one that I got along with it, and this is the one I'm going to be using today. And it's just really pretty. So there are 5 different sets that you can get along with it, but this particular one comes with the set, with the kit. You get this whole packet of, I'm going through this, trying to go fast, but there's so much that she sends, so it's hard. You get a pack of die cuts and texture items. And let me just show you all of these. There's so many of them. Look at all these. There's some words, title pieces, just some pictures and images. Some of them that are smaller scale, some of them that are larger scale. So whatever style you're doing or whatever size, and it works for journaling in your Bible, in your notebook. You can use these for scrapbooking if you wanted to. You've got this really cool feather for texture piecing. That's just, look at that. That's so much fun. And I love texture. I love feeling things. So that just makes me happy. And then she included this rope that you can use as a rope like this, or you can even untie it and make it into 3. And even if you wanted to make each of them even more unbound. So she's included some bundles of die cuts and texture pieces. And then whenever you purchase a kit, you get a little goodie bag. And that is just so nice. So in the packaging, she wraps it all up nicely, gives you another little pin. And then in this goodie bag, and let me get these out, she gives you a handwritten note, and I'm going to keep that to the side because it's so sweet. There's a stamp that often coordinates with it. This one is a boot, says don't shoot yourself in the foot. And yes, this does coordinate with the theme. You get another piece of patterned cardstock that matches the theme, a couple of more bow clippies, more die cuts. Sometimes they'll go along with the theme. This particular one can be used with the theme because it's all these cacti and desert floral pieces. So that's fun. You get another little sheet of alphas, smaller tiles. So you get the big tiles and then the big alphas and then the smaller tiles. And then some of the extras that you can get are these are 2 different sets. Another set of this size, but in, I think it's 5 different colors. You can see the colors that they come in: the pink, the blue, the green, the orange, and the brown. And so they all coordinate. And then the alphas, the larger ones, but you get 7, and these are clear sticker sheets, 7 different colors here: a pink, a blue, a teal, a turquoise, a green, a brown, the multi one, and then a darker brown. So just so much that you can get. Now I'm going to play with this kit, so I'm going to do that in another video for you. So I have that linked up above in the right hand corner and down in the description box. I also have this kit and the coordinating products linked, so check them out. Thanks for joining me today, and hop on over to the next video and I'll meet you there. Thanks so much. Bye bye.